morning, YouTube. Today I got this 2015 Ford Focus SE. Customers complaining of grinding brakes. I'm going to show you how to change these brakes today. We're replacing the rotors and pads. Can't machine the rotors because they're dug into. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is get this little spring out of your way. Just put your thumb right there when you're popping it out so it don't go flying. Sometimes you'll get a new spring with your pad, sometimes you don't. So if you don't get one, you're going to have to reuse that. Now take your little dust covers off. You get access to your caliper bolts, which are going to be a 7mm Allen head. Now we're going to take our flathead again and just kind of pry back your slide pins, top and bottom. Alright. Now this caliper is going to be a little hard to take off because it's been grinding, so it's going to have a big lip in there. So what I do is I'll just flex the caliper, get that piston to push back some. That way it comes right off. And before I take the old pad off, I'm going to go ahead and finish pushing this piston back. You can do this with a big pair of channel locks too. I'll show you. Instead of talking about it, I'll be about it. Just adjust them accordingly. Get your right angle there. A little bit better. A little too tight. There we go. Just keep working it till it don't go no more. Like that. And then pop your old pad out with your 2 pointer fingers, just pull back. I like to push in on the spring a little bit, help it go in a little easier there. I'm just going to kind of lean that out of my way while I pull this bracket off to change this rotor. It's going to be an 18mm. These are pretty tight, so you're going to need something pretty torquey. A long breaker bar or a good long ratchet. Or these work real well too, these long mountain wrenches. Now that the bracket's out of our way, just give your rotor a couple love taps. Now I've got these Napa painted coated rotors. They have a special coating in them for braking process. No need to clean these off. Now that little bit of rust on there, no big deal. That'll all come off. You apply the brakes a couple times. Alright. Just checking, even though I know they're tight. This gun don't play. Go ahead and put your outer pad on and swing your caliper over, making sure your brake line's not twisted up. Start those a few threads. All right. Put your little dust boots back in. Now if your slides are nice and smooth when you're prying back on them, no need to grease them. They wouldn't be sliding. They need to be greased. Put your little clip in here. Barely get it in there like that, holding it with your thumb. Swing back on it. Push all the way in. Turn your wheel straight. Pump your brake pedal up. Take it for a test drive. As simple as that. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. I hope it's been informative. Y'all have a great day and a good weekend. Please subscribe, check, like,